Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Ali. I make videos about self-publishing online and also about other crafty adventures. So if you enjoy that sort of thing, make sure you like and subscribe. In today's video, I've got something very exciting to show you because I had put in an order for a whole bunch of My KDP books, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you'd like to see either the quality or the types of books that I'm creating, what they look like, all that kind of stuff, then make sure you stick around. Hi everyone, just doing a quick opening up of some of my KDP books just to check and see their proof copies. So if this is something you'd like to see, please stick around so that you can enjoy and look with me. I'm just keeping it all at the top here just so that I keep my address a bit private. So I have ordered quite a few copies of the books that I have been creating. So let's slide these out and take a bit of a look. So we're doing a bit of a first look together. So this is my autumn colouring in book. It's now 60 designs, so I'm going back through and fixing my colouring in books so that they have more designs in them. It's quite thick, so you can see that there is quite a thickness to this book now. And inside I do have the black pages. I've also put in a bit of a QR code which takes them to my author, or takes whoever purchases this book to my author page. And then if you flick through, you'll be able to see it. Shall I go back the other way so you can see some of the images? And you can see the images there. This has turned out beautifully. I really love this book. I'm going to enjoy colouring it myself. Okay, so there is the autumn colouring in book. This is a much better size than my previous ones. Just watching my last video when I was doing a little bit of a colour test, you can see that's the thickness of my existing ones. So this one is going to be redone. At the moment it can sit in Amazon as it is, but I'm going to bumper it up so it does have more pages in it. So that's the autumn colouring book. I'm gradually making my way, whoops, that was scissors, luckily that didn't stab my toe. The next colouring in book that I created was summer, so you can see a bit of a seasonal theme here. So a summer colouring in book. Again, 60 different designs. I've done the same thing in terms of putting the black page in and having a look at some of those designs. They have come out so good. Very, very happy. So that's my summer colouring in book. The next one is Floral Fantasy. Again, 60 designs, nice and thick, so plenty of colouring in to do here. And it's filled with lots of different floral designs to colour. I actually purchased these so I can do a little bit of colouring and advertising for these books. But yes, beautifully put together, and I did put them together, I can say. Cityscapes, again, nice big book, and this one is filled in with lots of different cityscapes. Now there is a little bit of a white trim down here, I don't know if you can see that. I'm not going to be too concerned about that because it's not impacting on the actual pages, the colouring pages at all. So these are all just pictures of different city scenes that can be coloured in. And now we get into, and I might just skip to these a little bit, because they belong to a set. I made another little travel journal. So again, this is a really cute little book, this one. So travel journal of vintage snapshots. And my little house book that got rejected, I redid that one again. This is called a tiny house colouring book with 60 designs and nice and big. And inside of this colouring in book, you've got lots and lots of different little house designs. How cool is that? So that's the tiny house colouring in book. Now these are another little project that I've been putting together, and this is scrapbook paper pads, and I have quite a few of them now. And again, I wanted these so that I could have examples of them to be able to use in my own scrapbook projects. So these are designs that I've created either on Procreate or otherwise, and they are double-sided papers in a pad. These look amazing. Okay, so we've got creamy bluesicle here. They're all double-sided. There's 2 of each design. And these are all original, so you won't see them anywhere else. Got navy white Christmas. His cute little reindeers, I drew him. And I've made a lot of the other patterns here using a program, this is my other little reindeer, called Repper. Pinecone Forest, I think this one's going to be a favourite of mine. I love the black and white of these. Beautiful. We've got chocolate cupcake. Gorgeous again. Vintage Christmas. I'll do more of a preview. My pink lemonade, I know a few people have purchased this one already. I love the colours in this one. Gorgeous. Parisian blue. And this one has been inspired a little bit by the Eiffel Tower, which does feature in this one. And again, like a little postcard shot. And of course, a funky Halloween. I'm very, very happy. So that's my little proof video of some of the books that I've got. So I've got lots of different papers and some really lovely colouring in books. I'm so happy with the way these turned out. I do have a winter one. I haven't made the spring one yet. So thanks for watching, and if you want to go and purchase any of these, you can follow the links down below and get your own copy. Thanks for watching the video today, everyone. I hope that gave you some insight into the possibilities of KDP self-publishing. If you have any questions or comments about KDP self-publishing or any other matter, make sure you pop it down into the comments below. Now go out there and create some books, and I will see you in the next video.